Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy and tasty homemade cookies. Guys, you're going to love this. Continue watching as I walk you through. The first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. Add baking powder, sift, sugar, salt, grated nutmeg, powdered milk. Then you mix the dry ingredients together. Next, add margarine. You can also add butter if you have. Then rub the margarine into the flour. Break in the egg, then continue to mix until you have a non-sticky dough. So transfer the dough to a flat surface. So it's time for us to shape our cookie dough. So get a little like so, then you spread. And here we have our cutter with different shapes. So this is heart shape. So as you guys can see, we have a heart shaped cookie, or cookie dough rather. Repeat the same process, then you can use another shape. This is circle shape. So you can also flatten your dough with your hand like so. So instead of using rolling pin, you can do it like this. So it depends on how you want it. You can choose either of the two methods. Okay, so here we are using the round cutter. So this particular method tends to give us a smooth top, as you guys can see, a smoother top than the other one. Okay, so it's time for us to transfer the cookie dough into a baking tray. So we're going to bake for about 30 minutes, and here is a delicious, tasty, crunchy and soft cookie, guys. So it's easy to come up with, as you guys can see. This was so yummy. For the recipe measurements, check the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.